started rejoining us. Thank you for coming back. People to please follow Photozilla. Photozilla comes up with different artwork every Sunday at 5 p.m. And do follow Liam Puravit. His work is super amazing. He is just 14 years old and he really inspired us a lot. And Fruit Forest is our gifting partner for this workshop. So please do follow Fruit Forest. They make 100% vegan, clean snacks, and easy to carry. No artificial color, no added sugar to it.
So at this stage, the mountains are completed, and we can start with the final layer of water reflections.
Mhm.
So now for the waves and the reflection, it's only going to be horizontal strokes with first lighter colors, then we are going to use darker shades. So I'm using green here first.
And Liam, a lot of people are still in surprise that you are just 14 and you make such beautiful paintings.
Thank you
So
so much.
we are really amazed to see this, and we are lucky that you have hosted a particular painting session for us. Thank you again from our end. Food Hosted India's team is really thankful to you. So this is just the last touching up of
Yeah,
the
after
layer.
this, we'll go back to the stones, and then the painting is
Mhm.
finished.
Thank you,
We
Komal.
miss.
I hope my voice is audible. Hello, Liam. Is my voice
Yeah, it's
audible to
audible.
you?
It's audible. It's audible.
All right, all right. Thank you. Wow, this looks amazing.
Yeah. So we can go to the stones now. There will be more waves coming here, but the green needs to be dried. So in the meanwhile, we can paint the stones.
All right. Yes, the session will be recorded, but I still suggest painting together is more fun. It's any if you have any doubt, the artist is always with us to clear the doubts, and if you need any interpretation, we'll be happy to do that. So Siddharth, I think Siddharth is asking how did you give a texture of stone?
We've used salt here. We've simply sprinkled salt when the paint was wet, and the salt absorbs the surrounding water and gives the texture.
a lot of our viewers is asking about your guru, your teacher. I think if you wish, you can tell them, or maybe they can DM you later, and you can take it forward from there. So we are just are we will be doing the rock part again,
Yeah,
or
here I
are we?
think we'll need some shadows. Like it's looking really flat here. We can do some shadows.
And I think I forget to mention last week lucky artist. Uh, the top three lucky artists from the last week is Padmini Sahu, Nikhileshwar Rao, and Gayatri, and their goodies are already dispatched. I think you will receive it by the end of this week.
Yeah, so we are done with the rocks here. And now only some waves are left to paint, and then the painting is finished. We can do those final touches in the water. That's it.
I hope our viewers have painted along with us, and they'll be sending a lot of their artworks after the session. Please do put it on your stories and tag Liam Hiwawit, Folklores India, and Food Forest. We really, really love seeing your artwork. That really gives us joy. Lucky artist win hampers from Food Forest, and do check in their website Food Forest, and if you wish you can order from their special discount only for today is Folklores India. So please do check out their Instagram handle and their website.
Yeah, now the painting is done.
Wow,
Just
super amazing. This looks super amazing. Now we can take as many questions as we time permits. So I think Liam would also be facing the camera, and he'll be helping us out taking the questions.
just
But
a minute, just a minute.
meanwhile, if you wish, yeah, if you wish, you can take a snapshot of the painting as reference, and Liam would be posting the reference pictures from his page. So somebody is saying, please do peel off the tape from the sides.
It would require 2 minutes. The painting is still not dried. We'll do that.
Yeah,
We'll use hair dryer.
I think somebody is asking on the lotus paint thing. We will take up the question.
The,
Display
the
picture.
tape I'm using is a simple masking tape. It's paper masking tape, and you can find it easily on any stationery or hardware shop.
All right.
Okay, so now we can take the tape off. Thing is dry.
Wow. Yes, Liam, I think a lot of questions are flowing in. We will be taking up all the questions. Each one of your questions will be answered. Just stay connected and let's just have a view of the painting now.
So that's the thing.
Super amazing, Liam. Super amazing. I think it looks just the same, the one you showed on us on
The
the
one I
app.
did before, it took me like 5 hours or so. It's quite different.
Wow, super, super amazing. Wow. We are ready, I think, for taking up the question. Thank you, everyone. Please do follow us. We come up with live sessions every Sunday at 5 p.m. with different artists across India. And do follow Liam Tuawa because he is an amazing artist. So, Liam, we have got a lot of
Questions.
new questions also, and
So let me face the camera.
we have yeah we have a chat session now.
Just a
Guys, we
minute.
might miss on the previous questions because a lot of comments came in between. If you are still connected with us, drop in your questions now. Hi now.
Hi.
So everybody, I think, is very happy with the
workshop. I am sure everybody has painted along with us, and we will be receiving a lot of artwork, Liam, today. And so let's start while answering the question. A lot of people have asked you which paper do you use? What is the GSM?
The paper I used for this was Arch paper. It was of 300 GSM. This was the paper.
All right,
300
all
GSM,
right,
10 by 14 inch.
okay, done.
For beginners, I'd
Uh,
suggest going for
mm-hmm,
Canson or Chitrapat paper in India. Chitrapat is really good handmade paper. Or Canson is
mm-hmm.
also quite cheap and is good. It's a good paper.
Cool. And and Liam, if anybody wants to, buy painting from you or customize any of your paintings as per their choice and needs, then how do they approach you?
I don't take commissions currently, but the paintings, already made paintings, are available on my website, artistliam.com. It's in my bio too, so you can navigate
Mm-hmm.
from there. And currently, I'm 5% off is going on. Discount is going on.
Oh, wow.
So
So somebody saying, can you show
yeah, I'll
one
show it.
painting which, wow, super amazing. I think this is going to stay in my mind for a long time. Wow, really nice. Absolutely amazing. And I think somebody saying cartridge paint paper is good enough. Is it good using cartridge painting?
The cartridge paper is really good. I started using cartridge paper only, but the texture
Mm-hmm.
is quite smooth. And if you are able to get it in 300 GSM, like I was not able to get it thicker, I was having 100 GSM or something like that. So it was quite challenging to work on that. See,
All
more
right.
quality paper is
And
going to make the work easier for you. So try firstly
yeah,
targeting 100% cotton, then go for 300 GSM. So these should be the criteria.
all right. But as a beginner, which paper do you
Yeah,
suggest?
cartridge paper is the best to start, and then you can upgrade to Chitrapat, then to Kenson, and
Yeah,
Arch is the
so on.
best possible paper.
Yeah. And Prachi is asking which company color watercolor do you use? And
I use different
also
brand
for the beginners,
watercolors.
which
Camlin are the best for the beginners, and they are really
okay.
good for price point. Then this
Mhm.
palette is from Camlin itself, but the
Mhm.
colors are different. The colors are filled with different companies, so the colors are different. But it was initially filled with Camlin colors, but then the colors ran off, and I filled them again using different brand colors. It was Vincent Newton, then Daniel
Mhm.
Smith, and Core watercolors. These
Wow.
are the three brands I mainly use, including Camlin. So Camlin is also a recommended brand for beginners, especially.
Absolutely. Okay, so Ramesh is asking, I think I missed his teacher's details. Shall DM him? Yes, I think you can DM
Yes,
him,
surely,
and
DM.
yeah, and I think Liam is going through formal training, so he'll be happy to answer your questions regarding the art school and teachers. And I think super amazing. Is there anything, Niam, you want to share with us and suggest best for beginners? I don't know
I
what is.
already
We have already
suggested
talked
different.
about paper and colors. We have already talked about that. So, so Niam, what happens? Like, how do you manage your school and your art classes and your practice with art?
Like
I'm pretty sure that since
it's
you are in
difficult.
ninth standard now, yeah.
For the past 5 6 years, it was easier. Now it's getting difficult year by year. But I try to do all my homework and the stuff from school, the assignments and everything in school itself. So there's nothing left to
Oh,
do at home from school. Like in breaks and proxy periods, I try to complete my homework in the school itself. And then I dedicate at least an hour daily towards painting. And my classes helps
wow.
it a lot. Like drawing classes, you go and 2 hours you only paint. So that's the best. Like you can have a nice schedule with
Best
that.
time of your day, I think, your paint classes.
Yeah, it is.
What
I
do you
like to
like
paint
more?
more.
Yeah, what do you like more, your art classes or your school?
No, school they don't teach art like specifically. Art is very. It's not and it's not primary at all. It's they don't give much focus on art.
So,
You
much
have to
focus,
attend
yes.
some private classes if you are serious about it.
Yes, true, true. Absolutely nice. And anything, what competition are you planning to participate in the upcoming year? Any
I,
preparation of that sort is going on?
I was trying to get into the Art Fest, Art Life Fest in Russia. So this year it's all
Mm-hmm.
booked. I will go for the next year. It's like a huge exhibition from all over
Mm-hmm.
the world. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I'm planning for that. Then I had my solo exhibition, which should be open right now. Like today was the opening day, but now it's postponed. So let's see when it happens. First solo exhibition.
So, if you can tell us, how was your first day, after since you're learning art since 10, now 14, I think 10
10
years now.
years. Yeah.
For Yeah, so when you went to a formal art school, how was your first day there? Uh, any
When I
experiences from
was
there?
like 7 or 8, so we just like
You
it's the
don't
same
remember
teacher
it,
since
or
then.
you have a
No,
idea
I
about it?
remember.
Hmm?
I have clearly remembered because I was way too afraid to go there on the first day, and it's the same teacher ever since, Kishore sir. He's been teaching me since when I like started this. It's been 7 8 years since I'm learning from him. The first day I just colored one painting. He drew it and I colored it. It was the first day. And in these 7 years, I've experimented with all the possible mediums, and watercolor works the best for me.
That sounds amazing. And Liam, I want to thank you. I guess if viewers have any other questions, please do drop him a DM, and I'm sure Liam will be able to answer all the messages you do. He
Yeah,
might
surely
take a little
reply.
while since, as you said, that he has a tight schedule, but he will answer it. And thank you, Liam, once again. Thank you so much for hosting the watercolor painting workshop for Photos India. And it was amazing to see your work and talk to you for the entire 2 weeks. I think we were in calls and we were having a WhatsApp chat. Thank you so much.
And thanks to you, this opportunity was great. It was great. This was my first workshop. So yeah, it was fun.
It's always a yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
Bye.